Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the blade as well as the anvil on this Ronan Multi-Cut anvil cutter. This is a great cutter tool, especially when you want nice precision straight cuts, but after a while you will need to change the blades. Now when you buy the Ronan cutter originally, it comes with one blade installed, as well as you pull this little tab out here out of the handle piece and it comes with 3 extra blades. Now on this particular Ronan cutter, I've gone through all the extra blades, and as you can see, the condition of this blade, it's looking a little worse for wear. Still is giving me some pretty good straight cuts, but it definitely needs to get changed out. And if I just take off this safety latch here, open this up, you can also see on the flat part of the anvil, this is where the blade makes contact, it's starting to look a little bit scruffed up. So I think it's time to change both the anvil as well as the blade. So we're going to show you how that's done. So we do sell replacement blades for the Ronan Multi-Cut tool, and you get 3 pieces in here. 2 of the pieces are meant for this tool. This is the 301 version. They also have another additional piece, and that would be for the model 330. But today we just have the model 301. So we're going to show you how to change the blade and the anvil and get this thing looking new and working new. Okay, so to change out the blade and the anvil, just going to need a Phillips screwdriver. Just loosen out these screws. And the other one. So this is to take off the plate that holds the blade. So the plate over there, just let the blade drop out. You want to carefully dispose of this blade. Now we'll do the anvil. We'll take that out. And we'll sit that one over there. You'll notice that the screw length is a little bit different for the anvil, so you don't want to mix that up at all. And then this thing, actually let's open up the tool. And now this thing just slides out like that. So that's the old one. And we'll open up the pack of the new. There's our new anvil. This is that other piece I was telling you about. I believe that's from I think this is for the other tool, the other model. And we can also open up the blade side here. Carefully remove the blades. We'll put that there. Okay. So now we're going to slide the anvil in. That went on pretty easy. And we're going to replace the screw. Well, I don't have the hole lined up properly. Let's check that again. There we go. There we go. All right, good. So before we put the new blade on, I'm going to take 2 of the blades and we're going to put that into the storage compartment. So that'll we'll just slide these over inside here. Now we can hide these blades, keep them safely in there. And then we're going to take our new blade. We're going to just lay it down. And I want to point something out to you. You could push the blade all the way in, but you see there's a bit of a gap there. And if you close the anvil, it makes it a little short. I like to have the blade sticking out a little bit further. So just hold that there and then put the hold down plate there. And make sure that the holes are all lined up. It can be a little bit fidgety. Don't want to rush it. Don't want to accidentally cut yourself on the blade. I didn't fully tighten that screw there because I want to make sure that this hole lines up first. Okay, and it does. That's nice and tight. That's nice and tight. Try that again. Last one. Oh, that one's going to be just a little bit tighter. All right. So there we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a sample cut. Got some tubing here, some polyethylene tubing. I always like to make sure that these things get cut nice and straight. And there we go. Beautiful, nice straight cut. Excellent. So we're all set there. Close that up. As you can see, our Ronan multi-tool looks pretty much brand new and works like brand new as well. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.